Hello everyone! Today we're crocheting a cheerful sunflower, perfect for decorating or gifting. Like, subscribe, and let's get started. For round 1 of the flower center, we're starting with a magic ring. Make a magic ring, then work 6 single crochets into it. Finish with a slip stitch to close the round. Great job getting started. This is the heart of our sunflower. Tip: pull the magic ring tight to avoid a hole in the center. Next, for round 2, we're increasing to make it grow. Work 6 increases around. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch from the previous round. You'll end up with 12 single crochets total. You're doing amazing. Look at that circle forming. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your first stitch. It makes counting so much easier. For round 3, we'll alternate stitches. Repeat this pattern 6 times, 1 single crochet, then an increase. That's 18 single crochets by the end. You're building such a sunny foundation. Keep it up. Tip: keep your tension even so the center stays nice and flat. For round 4, it's nice and simple. Just work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, keeping it at 18 single crochets. Perfect work so far. The center is looking gorgeous. Tip: take a moment to count your stitches here to make sure you're still at 18. Now, let's move to the back of the flower. For round 1, it's the same as the center. Make a magic ring, 6 single crochets, and close with a slip stitch. You're a pro at this already. Nice job. Tip: if magic rings are tricky, you can chain 2 and work into the second chain instead. For round 2 of the back, we'll do 6 increases. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch for a total of 12 single crochets. You've got this rhythm down. Beautiful progress. Tip: double check your count here. It's easy to sneak in an extra stitch. For round 3, repeat this 6 times. 1 single crochet, then an increase. You'll have 18 single crochets total. Look at that, your back piece is matching the front perfectly. Tip: lay it flat to see if it matches the flower center size. For round 4, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, 18 single crochets total. You're doing wonderfully. This piece is ready to support our sunflower. Tip: weave in your starting tail now to save time later. Time to make those iconic sunflower petals. For each petal, follow this. Chain 2, then in the next stitch, work a single crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, and another single crochet. Chain 3, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this 9 times around. You're bringing this flower to life. Amazing effort. Tip: keep your chains loose so the petals have a nice curve. Let's add some leaves. Chain 8, then skip the first chain and work single crochet, half double crochet, 3 treble crochets, double crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, slip stitch, then mirror it on the other side, half double crochet, 3 treble crochets, double crochet, half double crochet. You're a leaf-making star. Tip, block your leaves with a bit of water to shape them nicely. Now for the wrapper. For round 1, chain 32, then work 30 double crochets across starting in the 3rd chain from the hook. Chain 2 and turn. You're doing fantastic. This will tie it all together. For rounds 2 through 7, chain 2 to start, then work 30 double crochets across. Repeat this for 6 rows total. You're so close to finishing. Look at this beautiful wrapper taking shape. Tip: keep your edges straight by working into the very last stitch of each row. And there you have it, a stunning crocheted sunflower. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I enjoyed guiding you. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You did an incredible job. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your sunflower with me in the comments. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one.